Our dream is to become the ERP vendor of choice for global enterprises. We just did not become a preferred vendor, but we became the only fully compliant solutions for health logistics supply chain in the world, rated by all the leading funding organizations like the Global Fund, Gavi, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, UNDP, USAID. I want to tell you, while we are getting into the global spotlight, stepping stone for us is our Sri Lankan customer base. So that in turn gave us confidence, gave us the opportunity, and to go to global markets and dominate in those markets as well. So we are really happy, and I thank some of our customers are already here. I want to sincerely thank them for the trust and the partnership we are having with them. I would like to thank Palladium, which is conducting a USAID private sector development project, a multi-million-dollar project, coming forward to support our SME digitalization. They selected Bileeta as the ERP vendor, so selected SMEs will get 70 to 75% grant when they want to set up our ERP system. So not just Palladium, I'm thankful to the Palladium team here, who's here, and also HNB. We have been working with HNB. HNB is very much interested to see their clients being transformed, digitally transformed. Very innovative team at HNB. Right, we are really proud to partner with them. We are looking forward to support the Sri Lankan SME market and making sure they will be ready for Industrial Revolution 4.0 with the best we can do.
So you want to be mobile-based, cloud-based, and all these things, and also get into the artificial intelligence and big data. All they are talking about today is IR 4.0. If you look at the first one, Patpi Sanji was talking about the most successful stories at the moment in the world. If you look at the supply chain healthcare, so the first product we have taken from our platform and certain processes within shorter period we managed to deliver what customer needs, right? So that's the same thing. We end up with multiple products. If you look at the scale, the agri-virtual value chain management software, this is something we are moving to the next level of the agriculture, the digitalization of the agri businesses. So this is also we develop using our platform, and the business process can be taken and put it back and put it down. This is the reason, so we are success as a one platform. If you look at the platform, what we thought about, like in the beginning, we can cater, like, any system after some time, like, after 5 years or 6 years, they want to change because the business grows, the business expands, so they need to change the solutions. That's a normal thing. If you look at the ERPs, that's the normal stage of the ERPs. So what we have done, thanks to this platform, we can cater from small to large scale. So what you get here, your product will never get expired with us, because we keep on developing. Because if you look at today, from 2012 to today, we have one version of the platform, but we cater all the recent technologies and recent demands. So that's the beauty of the solution.
In 2015, when we had another ERP solution at Jack, we were thinking of moving to a much more advanced product, and that's when we evaluated 4 top ERP products in the market. 3 of them were foreign products, 1 was Bileeta. And when we evaluated all this, when we looked at the ease of use, the fact that it's also available locally, the fact that we can tailor make certain things to a certain extent, we found that Bileeta was the best choice to go with. And I'm so glad that when we made that decision, we went with Bileeta. And today, 8 years down the line, we not only have a great relationship where we've adopted Bileeta in every country we're in, wherever JAT is positioned, in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Maldives, all our distributors in the country, some of our retail operators too, use Bileeta, and that has given us an edge because we can centrally control all these markets from our head office in Thalawattugoda. Not only did the product cost us far less, it made it easy to adopt.
So why we went into Bileeta, it's the same story of Zillian also said. We had the same global companies coming in, but they were all trying to set our requirements to as per their offerings. So they were not able to do customizations as per the local systems. And the second thing is the flexibility, and we are next door. So anyway, or over one call, they were always available. Then we evaluated it. When we met the Bileeta team, they were always available and flexible to make changes as per the requirements. We, being different companies, has different mechanisms and different ways of doing reporting and looking for information. So we found Bileeta was flexible. We made the decision way back in 2019, I think.
And I believe we did it. We had a very good team from our director of finance downwards, who headed the team, who coordinated with Sanjay Sanka and his team of people who put the system into place.
As a business owner, we manage our inventories plus other things in a more effective way. Plus the customers also value it. And there are customers who use the global platforms, and they don't see a difference between us and them.
It's a good platform for a smooth supply chain management.
First of all, I am not just the brainchild or the brainchild. It's a combination of myself, Sanka, and the team there. So because right now it's a very challenging environment. So in such environment, what we need to do is we need to minimize any revenue leakages and then explore more opportunities, right? That is what you need to do. In order to do that, you need to make data-driven decisions.